we put a lot of onus on individuals, but I think also as a society and across different cultures, we need to start being more inclusive of having you know, the emotional world of men, and not just men, but you know, all of us, like men, women, everyone really, especially as black folks, to you know, integrate that part of us into our wholeness, so that when someone is breaking down or someone comes to you with a problem or whatever, there's not judgment as the first response. The first response is compassion instead.